Hello, students. Today we are going to see the next chapter, verb expressing the future. So, the last chapters we have seen that verb expressing the present, verb expressing the past, and now we will be moving on verb expressing the future. Okay. In the last classes, we have also seen how does it is uses the each function, how does the verb expressing in the past and the present, and how it does worked. Okay, and when we now in this class, we were seeing that verb expressing the future, and we moving on the simple future, and we are using the word like will or shall, isn't it? How to express an offer or request or the expresses future facts or prediction. Okay, for example, like I will have some snacks, please. So do you like to have anything? So the question we asked, so the answer is I will have some sandwiches, please. Okay, giving a request or having a pleading to the. And the next one, the school will remain closed tomorrow. So the school will remain closed tomorrow, mentioning about the time or the timing, isn't it? Tomorrow, the day had mentioned. That means to indicate an action will be progress for some time in the future, or to indicate future actions that are planned, isn't it? And another one is I am feeling feverish, I think I will consult a doctor. That means to express an actions expected to be completed by the specific time on the future, isn't it? To I am feeling feverish, I think I will consult a doctor. To give an actions to a doctor, to going to have, isn't it? Going for the consulting, I will is used there. Okay, I will have some. Okay, and the next one is I will open the door for you. Thanks for the books. I will return it by Sunday. Will you please get me some medicine? So asking a request, isn't it? Some medicine to having asking a request to that. And I will open the door for you, to offering, isn't it? To offer. And thank for the books. Okay, just giving thanks to the I will return it by Sunday, and mentioning the date, as well as I will you please get me some medicine. That means to offer or to request, giving a request to that. Okay, and we are going to present continuous with the future meaning. Okay, how does we are using the present continuous tense? We have seen in the last classes with an intention or discussion. It means to express the personal intention or actions taking place in the immediate future, or expressing probability. For example, Preeti is getting married next week. So the mentioning of the date, okay, mentioning of the future, the next week, or the time, or the date, or the month. Okay, it is mentioned Preeti is getting married next week, or this are mentioned in the future continuous tense with a future meaning. It is going to happen, isn't it? That means Preeti is getting married next week. Okay, it has mentioned to express a personal intention or actions taking place in the immediate future. Okay, that it is mean. And we moving on the simple present with the future meaning. Okay, simple present tense we have seen the last classes, with the future meaning. The train leaves tomorrow morning 6 a.m. That means to express to express future actions with the determinants advance in by calendar, time, or the progress. Okay, that means the train leaves. Okay, train leaves tomorrow morning at 6 p.m. to mentioning about the timing, isn't it? What will happen in the future? Okay, simple present tense with the meaning of the future. Okay, that is meant here. The train leaves tomorrow. Okay, and with the future continuous tense, how it is used? Future continuous tense, how it is uses. Okay, we need to see that one also. And in future continuous tense, how the present tense are used. Okay, So we have seen the last. So to express an action will be in progress at a given moment in the future. That means to express an action will be in progress. Okay, the action is progress at a given moment in the future. For example, like tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. Mr. Arun will be flying to Delhi. Tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. Mr. Arun will be flying to Delhi. That means to express an action will be progress to the given moment in the future. Okay, at the moment of 5 tomorrow 5:30 p.m. Mr. Arun will be moving on flying to Delhi, and to express an actions will be progress at a given moment in the future. An actions that is certain to happen. Okay, an action that is certain to happen. Next week I will be shifting to our new houses. Next week will be shifting to our new houses. To expressing an action certain to happen, that is what is going to happen, to shifting the houses, isn't it? And when you come to the future perfect tense, how it is uses. Okay, in the future perfect tense we can see how does it is uses in the all tenses we have seen in the last classes, isn't it? And for example, like I am almost forgot to tell you I will be moving to Ranipur next month. Okay, it's example that. Okay, example that is means the complete solution. How does it the per future perfect tense is used? Okay, we need to see that. And for example, how it is used: when you reach home, your father will already have left for office. Okay, when you reach home, your father will already have left for office. That means when you reach the home, okay, the actions are placed. You reach home, father will already have left the home, left the office. Okay, remember that last sentences we have seen, it is always have the. And when you use the future perfect continuous tense, when you say, you should remember the continuous tense is in the ing form, but when you come the perfect continuous is we shall be or shall see. Okay, we are seeing that things. Okay, please should remember that. And when you come to the future perfect continuous tense, now we see the future perfect continuous tense. And how does it is uses? Okay, to express an actions that will begin and will be in the progress for a period of time in the future. Okay, to express an actions that will begin and will be in progress for a period of time in the future. And now we'll be moving on the example how it is. Okay, tomorrow at this time we will have been driving to Shimala for 2 hours. Okay, tomorrow time is automatic. Tomorrow at this time. Okay, at this time we will have been driving to Shimala for 2 hours. It is to mention when we are going. Okay, when we are going and how many hours. Okay, the time had mentioned properly. That is what future perfect continuous tense, how does it is used. Okay, tomorrow at this time we will have been. Okay, moving at this time. Okay, thanks for watching.